Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to get clan border in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all you need to be in a clan. So as you can see there's an option at the bottom center here called clan. You need to first join a clan. You can see these members here, they all have these borders. So you need to first join the clan war and these are the nodes. So right now it's showing these ones are active. And you will get the clan border at the end of the season. So it's showing that the season will end on February 2024. So it's next month. So then your season ends and in February you will be able to get the clan border. So you need to join the wars and fight along with them, and you will be able to have the clan border like they have. And you will also get the rewards along with it. So that's how you can get the clan border in Call of Duty Mobile. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.